Bakit dapat active ang sex life mo? Super tuto ka na sa Super Dritch TV, super wow sa kaalaman. Okay, let's talk about sex life. Hindi lang yan for Netflix and chill. Ito ang 3 legit reasons kung bakit dapat active ang sex life mo. Listen up. First, it's the ultimate stress reliever. Hindi lang yan feel-good experience. It releases all those happy hormones, endorphins, and oxytocin na nagpapachill sa'yo. Yung feeling na, sige na, bukas na ulit mag-overthink. Para ka lang nag-workout, pero mas masaya. Less stress, better sleep. Second, it boosts your glow up. Kapag active ka, gumaganda ang circulation mo. Plus, it genuinely makes you feel confident and connected sa sarili mo. Hindi yan about sa partner lang. It's about feeling good about your body and your sexuality. Confidence is the best outfit. And the third, the most crucial, it strengthens the bond. Kung may partner ka, hindi lang yan physical. It's a way to express intimacy and trust. Hindi lahat ng conversations kayang isolve ng words. Minsan, action speaks louder. Nagiging deeper yung connection nyo, making your relationship more secure. So, drop the stigmas, embrace the science. Your well-being deserves this. Prioritize your pleasure. Ilaban mo na yan, Des.